Hey guys, friends of mine, Catherine here. I just got a new toy and I wanted to show it to you. It's a Spellbinders Platinum 6 and I'm going to be figuring out how to use it today. I've got an instruction book over here and we might end up opening that up. We shall see. But let's start by, I don't know if you can tell, I already started opening it up a little bit. Let's start by pulling out that and the handle. Ooh, that was a piece. Oh, it's a cap for that end there. Okay, I bet that screw goes onto there. Okay, well let's actually get out the instruction book then. I probably should read the instructions. Okay, pretty things, embossing, cutting things out, prepping the machine, pull down the side trays to feed your cutting and embossing sandwiches through. The rubberized bottom will aid stability of machine, keep the bottom of the machine clean for best performance, blah blah blah. Attaching your handle, there we go. Place your Platinum 6 machine facing on a sturdy flat surface. Slide the washer onto the screw and place bolt inside the handle. Awesome. Okay, so that's this little bag here. It's got, if I can unclose it, it's got a washer. And a screw. And a little hex wrench. Alright, so you take and you pop the washer onto the screw and you put it inside the handle here. So what we're going to be doing is fixing the handle on so that it doesn't run away when we're turning it. And then we just screw it on. Go all the way on. Alright, and then supply the Allen wrench, turn clockwise, obviously. Insert cap over it to cover. Okay, so let's finish tightening it on. And that's, there we go, as tight as it's gonna go. Actually, probably tighter than other people could reasonably be expected to tighten it down, but that's okay. And then put the cap on. Now, it turns, and the rollers inside, I don't know if you can see. Let's see. Those are also turning. Awesome. All right. Then what we need to do is prepare for creativity. At least that's what it says here. Prepare for creativity. We are going to be cutting. So I'm going to grab my book of dies. I keep them in a, this is actually an old CD case. And what we are going to do is, let's see, this is an embossing plate. This is a mat thing. Interesting. Okay, building a sandwich. All sandwiches should be stacked in the correct order. Attempting to use incorrect plates may cause damage to the machine. Please ensure the combinations of plates are correct. Makes sense. Okay. Stack from the bottom up. 1. Platform. Okay. Is that magnetic? Oh, it is. Interesting. The embossing plate's magnetic. Okay. So let's see here. Is this labeled? No, it's not. Okay, so it says I need a platform, but it doesn't say what the platform is. It's probably this. Aha, nope, yep, this is labeled as platform. Excellent. Go. Okay, so this is how to build a die sandwich. So we've got this, then we've got a cutting plate, which is the clear one, this looks like. And then, so that goes on here. And then the paper goes next. So let's see. Let's use something shiny. Let's use something shiny. How about this? This is shiny. All right, and that is narrow enough to fit on there. So let's just trim it down a little bit. And paper. Okay. And then the next thing it says is the die template. So let's grab one out of here. Let's see. I've got squares, ovals, and circles. Not a lot to be getting on with, but that's all right. Let's start off with a circle. Hopefully. There we go, circle. Let's not use the largest one. Let's use the third largest one. There we go. Set that there. And then let's cut a smaller circle too. I think the next to smallest one. Okay, and I believe you face them face down so that they're like the edges, the edgy bits are faced toward the paper. Yep, die template cut side down. And then another standard cutting plate. Okay, awesome. So let's put that on here. Oop. On top of there. Excellent. And now we have a sandwich. And then what we need to do, I believe, is just go ahead and run it through. Platform, clear cutting plate, paper, cardstock, craft foil, etc., shaped die, clear cutting plate, run through the machine. Yep. Okay. So everything's together and we are ready to go. Actually, let's open up another square one and put it on there too, because there's no sense not cutting as many things as possible out of that bit of paper. So let's pull out a square and stick that on there too. I'm sorry if I'm just rambling and figuring things out today. This may not be the most interesting, but we'll see how it goes. And let's see, that one, that square will fit on there. Okay. There we go. Okay, and maybe a smaller one too. Fit another smaller one on there. Might as well, like I said, cut out as many shapes as possible. Might have to back this out of the machine a little bit. There we go. Okay. Alright, a couple circles, a couple squares lined up. And centered on. Okay. All right. Run through the machine. We'll see how it goes. Okay. Whee! All the way through. All right. And then pick up all of my dies that I dropped on the floor and let it out the other side. I'm not sure that I had that face the right direction. Should it have been that direction? I don't know. Oh well, we will see. That one seems to have cut. Yes, they all seem to have cut. Excellent. All right. Haha, and reveal. Reveal the success. I don't know that it was supposed to cut into that plate. I mean, I think it was. I don't know. However, it ended up working. And that's it. Not too bad for our first attempt. I'm gonna go ahead and play with this some more, but that's what I'm doing today, and I would be happy to hear what you guys are doing today. I will see you all later. Bye!